So, Rich, we've been talking a lot about the new group member and encouraging someone who's starting group for the first time, but let's now talk specifically to those who are a continuing group member or a leader. What could we do if we're the group leader or a veteran group member to help those who are brand new to the group and help them be successful?
Yeah, I think even what I said earlier is like lead by going first for the leader. The other thing, in creating that safe atmosphere, that safe place for guys, leading through your story. But one of the things that comes to mind is I always kind of like to hammer this point is like starting group well is don't skip the introduction.
Amen.
We didn't write the introduction for Pillars or really any of the material, but we didn't write it just to fill pages. There's actually key things in introduction, group guidelines, best practices. So walk these guys through this stuff in this particular group. We cover the recovery action plan. We cover some of the tools, and we still have. We usually hear it from like a spouse who calls in to us where, hey, my husband, he's been in group for 6 months and we don't have a recovery action plan. Well, come to find out the leader, they just open the book and they go right to pillar 1. So they miss a lot of the basic stuff. So please, if you're leading and you've skipped the introduction in the past, please, that will help set the tone of consistency. You have the best practices, the group guidelines, memo of understanding, the covenant of 10, everything is up front. And if we skip that, you're just missing a key piece to the group. And then when there's issues in group, now we know why there's issues because the leader didn't follow through. So that will help create, right from the beginning, this is what's expected. This is what you guys are signed up for to be in group. And this is how the group's going to go moving forward. And then because that'll create that consistency, that safe place. The guys have no question this is what's expected going into group. And if they have that, they're going to follow that. And for the long time, just the guys who maybe don't want to lead, but, been in groups for a lot, is model that as a group member too, because they've been through groups, so they know it. So they're able to maybe have more bandwidth to invest in the guys in group and say, hey, I notice you haven't made your phone calls this week. How come you're not making your phone calls? So some of those leaders that say they're not quite ready to lead, but they're doing really well, are actually maybe leading, but they don't think they're leading much.
Yeah.
So
yeah, I'm just thinking like do everything that we previously talked about, and then also that
yes.
Incorporating the tools in. For myself as a leader, just that simple question, what does your recovery action plan tell you to do? That is such a powerful question because then it's taking responsibility off me and it's having them come back to the plan to be like, you know what? I actually don't have anything written for my recovery action plan here. I need to go back and just that document. We started early and it continues. Like I think I'm on like my 14th edit of my recovery action plan because every time I go through a group, let me change. I want to add that. There's just even in the past month, I've made some changes to my recovery action plan to incorporate just new things that I heard in group and I wanted to bring on and put in my own plan. And the 3 circles coming back to like, what are the healthy things that we can be doing? Like all of those, they're just vital tools to have as part of the process. And if we as leaders and group members can adhere to just that idea that all of these things, everything builds, it's all part of the puzzle. All of it is coming out together to make one complete picture.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think while we do want to be thorough with the introduction and getting people up to speed, there's also a side where I think we can encourage new group members that you don't have to master this all right away.
Amen.
Yeah.
Like it's
Takes
okay
time.
to just to try to take a stab at it. I'll hear people in group often say, "Well, I don't know if I did this right." I'm like, "That's okay. This isn't a performance thing. You're not getting a grade on it. There's no right or wrong answers. The question is, did you engage? Did you look into your story? Did you give honest answers? And if so, that's great. And especially I think when people start and they're trying to get a hold of the faster scale, like, I don't know if I did this right. It's like, hey, if you processed, if you tried to figure out where you're at emotionally, like that's a win. And over time, as you keep going, as you keep doing it, it's going to become more and more familiar. You're going to get a better grasp on it. But if right now you feel like you don't totally understand it, that's okay. Your effort is really what is needed, not your perfection or your performance. And so back to what you said, Stuart, of progress, not perfection. Look for the steps you're taking to own your story and to face your emotions, to face difficult things. And in the end, that's going to be really, really valuable, whether you quote unquote did it right or not. So I think as group leaders, group members, we can really encourage newer people in that of, hey, you're doing great. You're doing better than you think you are, that kind of thing, that just helps someone see like, okay, I'm putting in the effort, and over time it's going to start to make more sense for me.
Yeah, because we all process stuff different. So what makes sense for us may not make sense for them. And when they answer that question, it's how they're able to process it and think and work through it. It says, like I said, it may not make sense, but it totally makes sense for them.
Yeah. And just to the mindset as a leader, like this could be multiple times that you've gone through. And so like this is just like kind of like a duh moment for us, but then for the new person in group, this is all new. This is all new information.